So I had an idea because every time I go to do, I'm just going to zoom out here a little bit. Every time I go to do a nail demo or a swatch or something, and I don't want to use like the sticks, I always end up having to use one of my more popular sizes for my nail tips, the full cover nail tips. So what I was thinking is to make my own nail tips so that I can make them all one size out of the nail forms. So that's what I'm going to try doing today. I think I'll use classic, build or mix? Mix. I'll use classic mix. So we'll see how that goes. Because it doesn't really matter what it looks like underneath either, so even if you have a little bit of texture, it wouldn't really bother. And this would be a good thing to do, like say you had like some gels that either you've had for a really long time and they're probably a little expired or anything like that, you could just make some nail tips out of them for display. Make this one a little bit longer. I'm using the classic mix because it kind of smooths out, but it doesn't really level, like it doesn't move around too much. The viscosity is a little thicker, so works nice for me for this type of purpose. So it doesn't all pool in the center by the time I get the nail shaped that I want. Okay, so I'm just going to clean off the edge there. And I'll cure it and I'll see what happens. So just to see which one's faster, I'm going to do this one with clear thin. Same size. Which is awesome, because there's always that optimum same size for doing demos where you can really showcase a nice shape, have enough space to show your art. Okay, that one was actually quite a bit faster. So we'll cure that. This one is finished. So I'll give the inhibition layer a wipe and pop it off. Nice. Now I've got a nail, demo nail. I just have to smooth out the edges, which I would anyways if I had a nail tip. To refine my bottom shape there. Awesome. I love this. That works great. I love it, love it, love it. All right. Let's see how the clear thin went. Oh, I forgot the clear thin is actually more flexible, so this one doesn't even want to come off. Yeah, it's like, it's staying on. There we go. But that wouldn't be a good demo tip. So the classic mix, so it's quite flexible. So the classic mix works better. So this one actually has the flexibility of a regular tip, just very slight movability. And the clear thin is very flexible, the thinner you go. So over here it's a little thicker. It's a little bit firmer, but for the purpose of making nail tips for demonstration nails, I'd use the classic mix.